This is just a quick message for everyone in Birmingham, especially for the Birmingham constituencies. The upcoming election, the council election, do not vote Green Party. Green Party is a scam. Green Party is a front to break up votes. Green Party is sinister. And I would say vote the independents, keep the independent movement going. The Muslim vote should be going to independents. Do not allow Labour back in, but do not vote Green Party. Green Party is so vile that Reform looks better than the Green Party. With regard to Green Party, they are splitting up votes in constituencies where independents are standing based on their split from mainstream parties on the Gaza vote. And it's very sinister. Even in the mainstream election for MPs, the Green Party broke up many candidates, their vote bank, by a few thousand. Because of the Green Party, some of the candidates didn't get in. So this is a quick message. Do not vote Green Party. It's a sinister party. And vote the independents who are standing, people from the community, people who represent the community, and do not answer to their paymasters. So be seeing you. Assalamu alaikum.